Hi, I'm Jesse Krier from K2 Ranch in Clayton, Wisconsin. Welcome to the Greatmats Horse Training Series. This here is a little bit of an obstacle in itself. It's called Cowboy broken glass. It's just all it is branches and stuff that they've got to step through, sometimes flip up on them. Right up here is what we call the Cowboy curtain. She's got to go up and step through those ropes. She gets right here quite often. Oh, she's doing really good with it. And then they gotta hit us. We'll go right back through it. Keeping her between our reins. Moving forward. Good girl. One more time. That was pretty non-invasive as well. Keep her between our reins and between our legs. This is Jesse Krier, and you've been watching the Greatmats Horse Training Series.
Greatmats is a national flooring retailer. Contact Greatmats for free samples, free design help, and live customer service today. If you like what you've seen here, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow Greatmats on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and Twitter.